my name is Scott Kelsey, Precision Ag Manager here at Environmental Tillage Systems. Today I'm going to be taking you through setting up AutoPath. AutoPath is available on both Gen 4 and Gen 5 displays for John Deere tractors. The first thing we are going to want to verify is that your display is unlocked with an Automation 4 unlock. This can either be a one-time activation or a subscription based on which display you are using. To navigate to see where that is, we're going to click on Menu, System, Software Manager, Activations. If you see this green light next to AutoPath, you're good to go. If it is a blue light, please pause this video and contact your John Deere dealer. AutoPath is a very precise tool, so offsets are very crucial. So we'll want to verify that all of our offsets are entered in and are accurate. The first place we'll go to verify our offsets is in the Setup menu, then go into Equipment, and then under Fertilizer. From here, we will verify offsets such as center of rotation, work point, and our GPS offsets. Then we'll want to go in and verify that our offsets within the ISO bus for the implement globe. To get to those offsets, you'll go into Setup and verify that your height and your fore aft are entered in correctly. Once offsets have been verified, we're going to activate our AutoPath. To do that, we're going to exit out of the ISOBUS screen, click on Menu, then we're going to go to Applications, Auto Track Guidance, then we're going to go into the Advanced Setup. From here, you'll either have this menu that is unavailable to you if you're utilizing active implement guidance. If you're using John Deere's passive steering, you'll want to make sure that this is turned on. Then we'll scroll down and verify that our receiver shared signal is turned on. And the last thing in this menu is we'll want to check the box for source operation passes. With all of that being selected, we can exit out of this menu and we can navigate to our setup screen once again, and you'll see that AutoPath recording has a green light and it shows that we're ready to record. If this screen is not available to you, please go to Advanced Settings in this screen and check the box for Enable AutoPath Recording Status. If you have any questions about AutoPath settings or anything else SoilWarrior related, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this service video. Call Environmental Tillage Systems with any questions or to order parts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view more videos. Find additional information on SoilWarrior.com.